Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. This is a trip vlog that I was telling you guys about. There's gonna be 3 videos. This is the first one, and we're gonna be in multiple places. The first place that we're going to is Lake Havasu, Arizona, I'm sorry. And we're driving there right now. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and again, I didn't film like the very beginning like processes because we're usually in a rush to get everything in the car and get going. But basically now we're gonna go to Anya's house because her mom, her brother, and then her also are either gonna come in our car or John V's mom is also coming to their house. So we're gonna like spread people out throughout the cars because they're not coming as like a full family. Hi guys, it's 12 o'clock and I didn't film at all in the car because we were literally just doing nothing. We were just sitting there and I fell asleep for the last hour, but we just got to Subway because we're taking a gas break and a lunch break. So Arusha's family are like 2 hours ahead of us. They're probably gonna reach there in like no time. And then Rishi's family is really behind because they started pretty late and they're stuck in traffic. So basically our car, which has my family and Anya's family and John V's car, they're kind of going like parallelly. We're gonna take a few minutes just to like kind of eat here and then we're gonna start driving again. How did you guys decide what to put in your thing? Like your sandwich?
We get practically the same every time.
Yeah, but like how did you decide in the first place?
Whatever my mom used to get me when I was little, and then I just like liked it, and then I just got the same thing every time.
For me, I ordered, like I just saw it and I was like, oh, I want this, this, and this, and now I just eat it. Like I don't change the recipe.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so it is 7:13. Oh, whoa. Okay, I was almost okay. It's 7:13 right now, and we just got to the house. Except like the time here is like an hour ahead, so technically it's 6:13, and we were expecting to be here by 5, but we took like a few detours because we got lost. But this is the house. Every house has this like ginormous fire truck garage thing. Like I have no idea what it is, but everyone has it, and we don't have the keys to go in. But I actually haven't looked at the house yet, so we're gonna go inside right now.
Great.
And then over here, this is Arush touching people's stuff without permission.
Whoa!
First. Okay, we have a bedroom.
The bedroom.
Okay. Okay. This is the backyard. This is my favorite place. Okay.
Jump in.
It has this nice decoration.
Jump in.
No, you do it. Oh! You gave me a heart attack. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, so it is 10:07 right now and we finished dinner a while ago and everyone's already here, and so all the kids are downstairs and we're just kind of having fun. I'm not really filming today because we're not doing anything interesting. We're gonna start doing everything interesting tomorrow, and it's a little bit chaotic down there. I just came up to take a shower and as soon as I went down I was like, what just happened here? I'll show you guys what's going on down there in a couple of seconds, but this is it for today and I'll see you guys tomorrow when we actually do some fun stuff. Goodbye. Hi guys, good morning. It's 9 o'clock right now and we woke up like at 8:15 and some of the parents are just hanging out with us.
It's open 24/7.
But basically for today's activity, we're gonna go donkey feeding, which a lot of people are like controversial about. And then we might go on a hike. And then tonight, we're basically gonna make pizzas and brownies and stuff for Christmas Eve dinner, and we'll also give each other gifts. At at least people who brought them, because I know that some people like Rishi did not bring any gifts for anyone. So that's basically the plan for today, and I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, it's 9:50 right now, and originally we were gonna go like donkey feeding at 10 o'clock, but we think that it's gonna rain and it's gonna stop raining at 11, so we're gonna go at 11. But right now I'm chilling with Arush and Anya in our backyard, which is really pretty. Okay, it's 11:07 right now. We're all in John B's car. Who wants to tell us what we're doing now?
I think we're going just to see the lake.
No, we're feeding donkeys.
Arush,
No, I don't think we're going there yet.
No, we are. We're going.
We're going donkey feeding.
No.
Yeah. We're going to the lake tomorrow. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again, even if it's just in your wildest dreams. So cute.
I'll see you guys at 3:10.
Okay, so it is 2:10 right now, and basically we pet the donkeys, and then we went to some gift shops, and then we took pictures for a very long time, and they turned out really good. I don't think we're going hiking anymore, but it's an hour drive back home, so we're gonna go home and then eat lunch.
And watch Dance Princess.
He has an obsession with Dance Academy, okay? We showed him one episode, now all he wants to see is Christian and Ethan. Okay, anyways.
No, you only wants to see.
Oh, whoa, that not the viewers, not for the viewers. Okay, so we're gonna go home and eat lunch, and for dinner, since it's Christmas Eve, we're planning to make pizzas and brownies and like exchange gifts and stuff. So we'll probably just go home and chill now. Like, I don't think we're doing anything else. It's 4:15 right now, and we did end up going on a hike, and I forgot to tell you guys. Basically, we've been on it for like 10 minutes now, and it's not been 30 minutes. And then basically everyone else, they're taking like this weird complicated hill route, which is like they're just like running up and down of it. It's 5 o'clock and we're on the way back. Like, I think like we'll reach the end in like 10 minutes. But basically the boys and Amita Auntie's family, remember they went up there? They went off on their own way. And lucky for us, we didn't have to do that complicated hike, and we got so many good pictures. Like, we look so good in them. Okay? And the view was amazing, but we don't know how to reach them because we've been trying to call them. We're just gonna head back to the car and I guess just wait for them to come, or like one car will go home and then one car will wait for them. I'm not really sure how it's gonna work, but once we go home, we're gonna start cooking for our Christmas dinner. Hi guys, it's 6:20 right now, and they finally got back from the hike. The other people, apparently they got really lost, and there was like a rope and a ladder. Like, I have no idea what they're talking about.
You can do it.
Anna, you can do it.
But Anya hurt her foot, and then Ananya comes, and so she hit her arm on a rock or something, and it's really swollen, and I think it might be broken. And then Anya's leg is just bruised because she was jumping earlier in the backyard. So we have 2 injuries today. I don't think it's anything major for either of them, but I hope they heal quick. Hi! So right now we're making pizzas, and these 2 are for kids, and me and Johnny and Anshi get to decide what to put on it, and then those are the parent ones. Yes, and Rishi refuses to help because he's too busy watching Dance Princess. it's 12:40 right now, and we finished the movie. It was Independence Day, and we're all kind of going delirious right now. And yesterday we slept at 1:30, and I don't know what we're gonna sleep right now, but pretty soon I think, because everyone's tired. And also, our Roosh gave us nail polish, and I'm painting my nails, and I painted John B's toes. Those look so funny, because I'm not really sure what else to do.
Hey, you didn't see my rings.
Oh my god. Yeah, John B got me rings. Okay. And look, this is my favorite one. It's like literally so pretty. It's like a snowflake. Hi guys. Wow. So it is 10:10 right now, and it's Christmas Day, but we're not doing anything Christmas related because we just kind of celebrated last night. And we ate breakfast, and almost everyone in the house except for us is gone because they're like going on walks.
Oh, wait.
We're playing cards right now. Oh. Today the plan is to go to the lake, and then we're also going to have a barbecue in the backyard and swim. And today's our last day in this house. So it's 11:50 right now, and we're going to the lake. But our car, which has me, John B, Anya, John B's mom, and my mom, is going to take a little bit of a detour because we're going to CVS to get Anya a boot because her leg still hurts and a few other things. Everyone else is not leaving yet. Like, they're going to take their time. And then some of the dads aren't back. So we're kind of being split up, but we're all going to meet at the lake. Okay, so it is 2 o'clock, and we just got off a trail. It's called Sunset Trail. It wasn't very interesting. It was really boring and really tired. But now that we're back in the cars, we're gonna eat lunch because our parents packed something called Hanva. They cooked something called Hanvo. So they're still walking back because we just rushed to the car. Yeah. And we're gonna eat that. Go. So it's 4:20 right now. So after the sunset hike, we went to the London Bridge and we took a bunch of pictures, which I'll put in right now. And now we're having our pool party. Ice. Except it's freezing cold. Okay, and I'm like kind of dying inside. No, Rishi, please, no. No, okay, no splashing. So me and Arush are the only ones, and we're like dancing to keep our body warm because like, oh my god, it is so cold. But I'm gonna do this for no reason. Hi guys, it's 7 o'clock right now. I just got to the pool and took a shower. I was freezing, and I had like red bruises on my skin afterwards. But we just ate dinner, and now we wanted to watch a horror movie, but I don't think we're going to. And instead, we're gonna play some board games. And my mom brought a game called Codename, so we're gonna play that. No! That's what I've been saying! That's the first thing I said! No, it's the middle of the board! Oh my god! Hi guys, it's 10:20 right now. And we've been watching Dance Academy, and we've been taking a bunch of pictures on Rishi's phone. I'll put those up right now.
He deleted all.
Did I just hear someone burp? Okay, well, anyways.
Are you gonna include all?
Yes. Well, anyways, I'm kind of going crazy again because we just took a tub of ice cream and we ate out of it. Hey, where's my light? Okay, and so I decided to have a dance off. So Ananya's gonna play a song, and then that's Anshi.
Ananya's gonna play a song.
Ananya's gonna play a song, and then we're gonna dance. And then we're gonna see who's better. It's obviously me. Because I fell asleep at like 11, 12. Like I just knocked out, and we all needed that sleep because today we're leaving, and right now it's like 6 o'clock, and we're leaving at 7 o'clock to be out of the house. So what we're doing now is we're going to the next house, which is in Utah. But all of that is going to be in the next video. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I've been having so much fun. And this trip is like, it's only technically been like 3 days. I have 7 more days of this, and I'm literally so excited. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, get ready, because I just know that every single vlog is going to be better than the last. Goodbye, and I will see you next video in Utah.